Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment YO19 Excel Chapter 6 Assessment Video Game Sale. In its project description, Samantha V, the owner of the local video game store, is interested in how video game sales vary by platform and region. She has acquired a simple data set and needs your help to explore the data. That's our project description. We will move to our first step. Our first step is start Excel and download and open the file name Excel Chapter 6 PS2 Video Games. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. I have already opened this file. That's our Excel Chapter 6 PS2 Video Games Sales worksheet. We will move to our second step. Our second step is the data on the video game sales worksheet includes sales in million for several video games on various platforms and from various genres. On video game sales worksheet, insert a table with the header using the data. So we will insert a table here, insert and table with the header, press OK. So we have inserted a table with the header. We will move to our third step. Our third step is apply light blue table style medium 27 to the table. We will apply light blue medium style 27. That is our light blue medium style 27 to the table we have applied. And what he is saying, with the selected table include the header, create a sales database name in the def function. So we will go to the formula tab, and here in the define names we will make this one as a database, sales database, and press OK. So that's our third step. Our fourth step is add a total row to the table to have a sales value in the North America, Europe, Japan, and other and global sales column summed. So we will apply we will go to the table design and we will select the total row. So we have got the total row. We will add here sum, and in the Europe also we will sum this one. Japan we will sum, make this one sum, and in the others also we will make this one as a sum. And global same column summed, it's already same sum, it's already summed. So now we will move to our fourth step. Fifth step, slicer are an easy way to explore the data in the table. Insert a slicer for platform year and January. So we need to go to insert tab and we will insert a slicer for which one? For three platform year and January. We will select platform year and January and press OK. So we have got our three slicers here. That's our fifth step. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in the Pearson assignments, Cengage assignments, Pearson Plus assignments, Canvas assignment, or if you need help in PowerPoint assignments, Excel assignment, Word assignments, or SS assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. Now we will move to our sixth step. Our sixth step is move the platform slicer so that its upper left corner is just inside the cell K1. So we need to we will make this one as a control X. We will cut this one and paste this one in the cell K1. Paste this one as a cell K1. Now its upper left corner is inside K1. Modify its layout property so it has three column. So we will go to the slicer and make it as a three column And what is he saying? Resize the slicer so that all the options are visible and extra white space is minimal. So we will resize this one. We will make this one upside. So all the platform are visible with the no extra space. So what is he saying? Apply the white slicer style other two style to the slicer. So we will apply white slicer style other two white slicer style white slicer style other two style to the slicer white slicer style other two, that is our white slicer style other two, that one we have applied. That's our fifth step. A sixth step, our seventh step is move the genre slicer so that its upper corner is just inside N1. So we will select the genre, we will move down and select the genre. That's our genre. We will cut this one and paste it in the cell N1. Is asking for the cell N1. We'll paste it here. That's our required space. Modify its layout property so that it has two columns. So we will go to the slicer and make it to the two column. And what is the other thing is saying? Resize the slicer so that all the options are visible and extra white space is minimal. So we will resize it so all the things are visible and extra space is minimal. Apply the white slicer style other two. So we need to apply white slicer style other two, that is our white style other two we have applied to this one also. That's our seventh step. We have total 20 steps in this assignment. I have performed 7 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or if you want to deal for your complete course, or if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in the Canvas course, Pearson Plus course, Cengage course, or if you need help in Excel assignments, Word assignment, PowerPoint assignment, or SS assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen, and or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. Thank you.